Alright, now. There's the worm.
Alright.
Here you go. Accidentally swallowed it.
Swallowed a worm!
Yes!
She just ate a worm! I swear to God! She ate it.
Crazy, eh?
Are you still videotaping this still?
And me eat it. Is it blood? No? What?
She's nasty, yeah.
Hang on.
She's sick.
I gotta clean it off. Come on. Follow me, Mom. I gotta clean this off. If you want to, you put this on Facebook. Anybody in there?
Yeah. Get my Mountain Dew out, too.
You're gonna clean this sucker off.
Yeah.
And we're gonna eat this thing. We're gonna chew it up and let the bird eat it this time, okay?
It don't want to eat. It wants out. It wants to try to fly.
Alright, you ready?
He gonna die.
No, he ain't.
Yeah, he is.
No, he ain't. I'm gonna put that there. Alright. Here's the worm. Now, everybody, I'm gonna chew this up for the bird, okay? Here's the bird, yeah. There's the worm. Now. Now, we got, instead of opening it, after I chewed it up, we're going to stick it in here.
No, you won't probably get it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Nasty. Yeah, there you go. You want to go find another one?
No.
We want it.
She's ate enough worms.
There you go. No, it's hanging. Please.